put this brown lipstick on that I got from Sephora. And this is just, yeah, just a little brown. I actually got a video on this. These lipsticks are actually really good. I think I got like 4 of them. I feel like something is off about my face. I really do. I just put a little powder on, and I just put Happy Friday, y'all. Yeah. Let me throw my hat back on. You're gonna have to go around. And I think I burnt my finger curling my hair. This ain't that serious. But yeah, I feel like something is off about my makeup today. But I ain't gonna worry about it. Today is Friday. I'm gonna put my hat back on. And put my sunglasses on. I forgot the camera this morning, y'all. So that's the reason why I'm starting this in the afternoon, because I completely forgot the camera. Today, y'all, I'm carrying this bag. This purse. This is the, and I forgot the, did I forget the tag? Damn, I think I took it out. Fudge. Yep, I think I took it out. God, dog. And I put it right on top, just so I wouldn't forget it, and I end up forgetting it. Bummer. But anyway, this is the Phillip Lim, I think. Phillip Lim 3.0 or 1 or something like that. This is from the Target collection. Yeah, so this bag, this is a nice bag. It's man, I can't think of the name, and I had the tag in my doggone purse. This bag came in black as well as yellow. super cute. Real, well, I shouldn't say real because these are real. It's just a collection made for Target, and this bag retails for $35. He did a special collection with Target a couple of years ago. Of course, I missed that one. Target brought back a lot of their old collections for their 20th anniversary collaboration sale, and I think that was probably about 2 months ago. It was like in the summer, I think. Yeah, I think it was like 2 months ago. 2 or 3 months ago. Yeah, and I bought this bag. They came back with everything. Well, not everything, but a lot of the really big popular collections, like the Hunter. They came back out with them, like some of their bum bags and some of the totes, just a lot of their stuff. So I decided to only buy this from the whole entire collection. Like I said, today is the first day that I'm carrying this bag, and this bag is little. It's little. Now, yeah, I do carry a couple of small bags, and I haven't carried a real small bag in a long time because, as y'all know, I've been carrying the Longchamp backpack, and that thing is so roomy. I love that bag. Super roomy. It's just that it's taken me a little time to get used to carrying a backpack, but I do really like the bag. But this bag, like I said, is little, and I really had to size down. I wasn't able to carry like my little catch-all bag. You know, I usually carry the Louis Vuitton Pochette as a catch-all, like stuff that's going to roll around in your purse. Instead of letting it roll around, you just put it in a little smaller pouch or whatever. I wasn't able to carry that, but I do have, like, you know, my lipstick pouch. I got room for my sunglasses, but you know, I'm wearing my sunglasses. I got my ear headphones, and of course my portable battery, lotion, maybe I'll do, when I get on the bus, I'll do what's in my bag, just so y'all can actually see. Sorry, this thing is dead. I'll do a what's in my bag so y'all can actually see everything that I put inside this bag, because I can't do that and drive. And believe me, it ain't much. But what I do like is this little pocket in the front. I was able to fit my little camera. I'm finna leave. I was able to fit my little small camera in here. A camera that I really don't never use that often. But I didn't think that I would be able to carry this GoPro, because the GoPro actually has like a long little mount thing on it. So I was able to unscrew the base of it and put it down on the side of the bag, and it fit just perfect. But I can tell you, this bag is stuffed to the brim. Okay, y'all, I just got done with my route. Yeah. Matter of fact, let me take this thing off. Woo! It's the weekend! Jeez! Yes! I'm just saying. Oh, thank you. But I told y'all I was gonna show y'all what I have inside of my purse, which is not a whole lot. Damn, y'all can't even see me. Let's see. Let's turn some lights on. Let's see, this light, which is not gonna work. Okay, here go the bag. And as y'all see, I really don't have a, you can't even see. Oh man, I might have to do this at home, because clearly y'all can't see nothing. You can't even see inside the bag. Bummer. But like I said, the bag is super little, and I might just do like some B-roll footage so y'all can see. But I have my Power Beats. I have my pouch I keep my lipstick and stuff in. I actually just started carrying this today, which is just a note thing that I'll just write little notes in that I'm thinking, which I could do that in my phone, but for some reason I just like to write them down sometimes. And most of the stuff that's in this book has something to do with YouTube. And then I have hand sanitizer from Bath and Body Works. This is like the stress relief one. And then I have some lotion from Bath and Body Works, and this is Comfort. And I have my portable charger for my phone or any other device that I have. And then I have the cards, because I can't go nowhere without the cards. And then in the little zipper part, I have my wallet. This is the Louis Vuitton key pouch, which y'all can't see because no light, but it's the key pouch. Yeah. And what else I have in here? And that's it really, in a pack of gum. And remember, in that front pocket, the very front pocket, I have my camera. But this is basically all that this purse holds. Not a lot at all. At all. But I think it holds about the same amount of items that the Louis Vuitton Favorite holds. I think that this one is just taller than the Favorite. And then I forgot, I just put my sunglasses on top. And then I put this camera, this GoPro camera, on the very top. But like I said, in this front pocket right here, I just got my camera. And it's a perfect fit for this camera. This is an older camera that I bought on a deal. I can't even remember how much I paid for it, but it's basically brand new because I don't even really use it. Okay, I might have to do this little part over because like I said, it's super dark in here. I don't have no light. So yeah, I'll probably just come back, y'all. Don't forget to I need to get by a light. Okay, here it is, y'all. I'm leaning back a little bit. Don't forget to subscribe. Maybe if I turn it this way. Don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, and leave me some comments at the bottom. Don't forget to watch my entire video. It helps my channel. Yeah, y'all. Y'all be safe out here. I might cut that little part out. All right, see y'all in the next one. Peace.